Thank you for inviting me for the servant leadership program. First of all, so I'm Sasikala Annapragada. I'm having an overall experience of 17 years in the IT industry, and in UST I have been working since more than a year now. And this is the first time that I'm attending this servant leadership program, which is wonderful, fantastic program in fact. The impressions about on this particular workshop for me is I could get more insights on what a servant leadership is all about. Even though I'm little aware on what exactly the service leadership is on a high level, but now I'm getting more insights on different behaviors, different values that we have, and how the core UST values are aligning with the servant leadership.
Great. Thank you.
Key takeaways for me is definitely to improve myself to be a servant leader. Okay, so basically on the behaviors which help anyone to grow into from a traditional leader to a servant leader.
Great. Thank you.
Yes, of course. So I have seen, especially I'm working for shoulders account, so I have seen many leaders around me are following many of these behaviors already. Until I attend this particular program, I wasn't aware that they have been following it, but I could correlate now that many of the leaders are already having these behaviors and they are good servant leaders. Yeah, I would say on specific behaviors, definitely I need to focus on putting others first, so emotional healing on how to do, uplifting my team, which I'm doing some little mentoring, etc. But to be a good servant leader, so I think I should work on these specific behaviors and then improve myself.